Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be solving some money problems. I want you to pause the video and try and solve these problems on your own in a notebook or a piece of paper and come back when you're done. So pause the video right now and come back later. Okay, well if you're back that means that you solved these problems or tried to solve them, so let's see what you got correct. Let's start with problem one. Problem one says, I went to the store and bought a toy that cost 23 euros. I paid with the money shown below. How much change should I expect? So the toy cost 23 euros. But I gave how much? A 20 and a 5. Together, 25. I gave a total of 25 euros for something that cost 23, which means that I gave more than what the toy cost. Does that mean that they get to keep the entire 25, like all of them, which is more than how much it cost? No, they have to give me back the difference, meaning I need to do subtraction. I need to find the difference between the amount of money that I gave and the amount of money that the toy cost. So I need to do 25, take away 23. How will I do that? I'm going to use the shape. So I'm going to do 25 take away 23. Let's see how much it makes. 5 take away 3 makes 2. 2 take away 2 makes 0. So I should expect to get 2 euros and change. Next up, I went to buy groceries and they cost 13 euros. I paid with the money shown below. How much change should I expect? So they cost 13 euros, but I gave a 20, a 1, and a 2. So how much money is this? Let's start with that. 20 and 1 makes 21. And another 2 makes 22, 23. So I gave a total of 23 euros. Let's make the shape first. And the groceries cost 13 euros. So I say 3 take away 3 makes 0. 2 take away 1 makes 1. So I should expect change of 10 euros. The cashier should give me back 10 euros. Next one. I bought a book that cost 12 euros and some markers that cost 5 euros. I paid with the money shown below. How much change should I expect? Okay, here there's something different going on. Why? Because I bought two things. I bought a book and I bought some markers. The book cost 12 and the markers cost 5. First, I need to find out how much the things that I cost, how much the things that I bought, how much they cost together. I need to find how much the book and the markers cost together. The book cost 12 and the markers cost 5. And since I want to find how much they cost together, I need to add these to find the total price of the things that I bought. So 12 and 5. Okay, so 12 in my mind, and 5 on my fingers, and I start counting. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So together they cost 17 euros. And I paid with a 50, a 5, and a 2. 50 and 5 makes 55, and another 2 makes 56, 57. So now I need to do 57, take away, let's make the shape, sorry about that, take away 17. And I'd say 7 take away 7 makes 0. 5 take away 1 makes 4. Now if I asked you, how would the cashier give you your change? He or she needs to give you back 40 euros. So how would they do that? There's no 40 euro bill. what they would do is they would give you back 120 and another 20. They give you two 20s, which is 40 euros. So you gave them this, and they would give you this back along with things that you bought, the books, the book and the markers. Okay? Next up, problem 4 says, I bought two toys. The first toy cost 28 euros and the second toy cost 17 euros. Let's move this a little bit further to the right because I need some room. So the first toy is 28 and the second toy is 7. So before I start, I need to find how much the things that I bought cost together. So 28 is the one toy and 7 is the other toy. So I need to do 28 and 7. So 28 in my mind and 7 on my fingers, and I count 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So this, all together, the things that I bought, the two toys together, cost 35 euros. Now, what did I pay with? I gave a 20, a 10, and a 5. How much is that altogether? 20 and 10 makes 30, and another 5 makes 35. So I need to do 35 take away 35. Now, I could make the shape, put 35 here, and the other 35 here, and do subtraction, do take away. 5 take away 5 would make 0. 3 take away 3 makes 0. And get my answer, 0. Or I could remember that, hey, when I subtract a number from itself, I always get 0. Like 2 take away 2 makes 0, 3 take away 3 makes 0, 10 take away 10 makes 0, 50 take away 50 makes 0. So 35 take away 35 is going to make 0. Think about that. When you subtract a number from itself, it makes 0. Why? If you have, let's say, 35 markers, and I take all 35 from you, that means you are left with 0 markers. So that's why whenever I subtract a number from itself, it's always 0. So in this case, where the change is 0, I should not expect to receive any change. I should only get the two toys that I bought, and that would be that. No change expected. I gave exactly the amount that the toys cost. Okay, so that'll be all for today. I will see you guys again on Friday when we'll be doing your weekly exercises together. Bye.